Manufacturing has come a long way since the Industrial Revolution. Today, we are witnessing a new revolution in manufacturing, the rise of robots. In this video, we will explore how robots are revolutionizing manufacturing and changing the way we make things. Robots are no longer just a futuristic dream. They are now an integral part of the manufacturing process. They are faster, more accurate, and more efficient than humans. They can work around the clock without getting tired or making mistakes. But robots are not here to replace humans. They are here to work alongside them, making their jobs easier and safer. In this video, we will explore the different ways robots are being used in manufacturing and the benefits they bring to the industry. One of the most common uses of robots in manufacturing is on the assembly line. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, making them ideal for tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. Welding is a dangerous and difficult task for humans. Robots can perform this task with ease, without putting human workers at risk. Painting is another task that requires precision and consistency. Robots can apply paint evenly and accurately, resulting in a high-quality finish. Assembly is another area where robots excel. They can assemble parts quickly and accurately, reducing the time it takes to build a car. By automating these tasks, manufacturers can increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve the quality of their products. Quality control is an essential part of the manufacturing process. It ensures that products meet the required standards and are safe for consumers. Robots are being used increasingly in quality control, as they can perform inspections quickly and accurately. Robots can use sensors and cameras to scan products and identify defects. They can detect even the smallest imperfections that might be missed by human inspectors. Once defects are identified, robots can sort the defective parts from the good ones, ensuring that only high-quality products are shipped to customers. Human workers can review the robot's findings and make any necessary adjustments. This ensures that the manufacturing process is constantly improving and that defects are minimized. By using robots in quality control, manufacturers can improve the quality of their products, reduce waste, and increase customer satisfaction. One of the most exciting ways robots are revolutionizing manufacturing is through customization. Robots can be programmed to create unique products that are tailored to individual customers. 3D printing is one area where robots are being used for customization. By using 3D printing technology, manufacturers can create products that are customized to the specific needs of each customer. Robots can also be used to assemble customized products. By using advanced sensors and programming, robots can assemble products that are unique to each customer. By using robots for customization, manufacturers can offer a wider range of products and services and meet the specific needs of each customer. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty and ultimately, increased sales and revenue. One of the most significant benefits of using robots in manufacturing is safety. Robots can perform tasks that are dangerous or hazardous for humans, reducing the risk of injury or death. In industries such as chemical manufacturing, robots can be used to handle hazardous materials and perform tasks that would be dangerous for humans. In nuclear power plants, robots can be used to perform maintenance tasks and inspections, reducing the risk of exposure to radiation for human workers. By using robots in hazardous environments, manufacturers can improve safety, reduce the risk of accidents, and protect human workers. Robots can also work alongside human workers, making their job safer and easier. By taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks, robots can reduce the risk of injury and fatigue for human workers. By improving safety in the workplace, manufacturers can create a better working environment for their employees, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. As we have seen, robots are revolutionizing manufacturing in many ways. They are improving productivity, quality, customization, and safety. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future.